This is Mrs. Augustine and Mr. Brown coming to you live. Just kidding, we're recording this. So people have had a lot of problems, I guess, opening up documents and writing on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to, I don't know, some random thing here. So we'll go percent review. Okay. And so some people say they can't write on the document. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to shrink that a little bit. What you want to do is, if you don't have Cami or if you don't have read write for Google Chrome, so it's a little puzzle piece with an RW in it, or if you don't have a blue circle with a white K in the middle of it, Cami, you should have Text Help PDF Reader. So I'm going to click on that right now. So provided you don't have those other two things, you want to click on PDF Reader. You want to go to Options. Okay, and in here what you want to do is you want to unclick Open Classroom PDFs directly and click Enable Classroom Integration. And then you just close it. Close your extension tab, close this PDF Reader one, and you go back. So what will happen is when you open this up, you will get these features right here. So freehand drawing, or you can type. Okay, when you type something in here, you can actually increase or decrease the font. So this is increasing the font, this is decreasing the font. You can do a color change. You can just spend hours here. I don't know what that means. I don't know. Okay, well, it actually text to type.
That's an audio. It's an
Dude.
audio thing.
Whoa.
You
So
can just talk, and it'll type it.
I pay tax on the stuff that I buy.
You didn't click the head. There you go.
Oh, wow. Okay, and then this says prediction. So you can do something if you want to type.
Well, so okay, well, it actually oval pipe it. I pay tax on the stuff that I buy. Do type.
See? So eloquent. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully that helps you out. If it doesn't, I don't know, let us know. So people are having trouble. Thanks for all you guys' patience.
Join our Google Classroom hours to ask us questions.
Yeah, dude. And check your classroom assignments and the classwork page. And it like says office hours on the bottom of it and stuff. And yeah. So check that out, man.